Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to print web pages on the printer application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the printer button down below and click on the web pages option, which is in the second column. Here you should select a web page that you want to print out. So type in anything that you want. So search for a page that you want to print out. Type in the link. And after that, if you want to print out the whole web page, all you have to do is clicking on the print button in the upper right corner of the screen. Here you can select the whole layout of the entire web page down below. As you can see, it's 6 pages. So you should select your printer first of all, then your number of copies that you want to make, and here you can select which pages you want to print out. You can print out all of them, so in that case tap on the second button, pages 1 to 6. But for example, if you just want to select a particular number of pages, click on 3 to 6, for example, or depending on which pages you want to print out. If you are done with selecting all these information, click on the print button in the upper right corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.